Good morning, students. In last session, you learned about properties of multiplication. In this session, we will learn about multiplication of 3 and 2-digit numbers. Let's take an example. 547 into 69. Step 1. Multiply with ones. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. We write 3 in ones column and 6 will be carried over. Next, 9 into 4 is equal to 36. In 36, add 6 which was carried over. The sum becomes 42. Now, we write 2 in tens column and 4 will be carried over. Next, in step 2, we will multiply with tens column. So, put a 0 in ones column first. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. 2 will be written in tens column and 4 will be carried over. Next, 6 into 4 is equal to 24. In 24, add 4 which was carried over. The sum becomes 28. 8 will be written in hundreds column and 2 will be carried over. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Add 2 which was carried over. The sum becomes 32. Now add the two products. The answer becomes 37,743. Now let's learn multiplication of 4-digit number with a 2-digit number. For example, 3547 into 27. Step 1. Start multiplying from ones place. 7 into 7 is equal to 49. 9 we should write in ones column and 4 carried over. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. Add 4 which was carried over. The sum becomes 32. 2 should be written below in tens column and 3 will be carried over. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Add 3 which was carried over. The sum becomes 38. 8 should be written in hundreds column and 3 shall be carried over. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Add 3 which was carried over. The sum becomes 24. 24 will be written in thousands and 10,000s column. Step 2. Multiply with tens place. So, put a 0 in ones place. Now, 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 4 should be written in tens column and 1 will be carried over. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 which was carried over becomes 9. 9 should be written in hundreds column. Next, 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 0 should be written in thousands column and 1 should be carried over. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 which was carried over becomes 7. We should write in 10,000s column. Now add the above two products. The sum comes to 95,769. Now let's start with multiplying a 4-digit number with a 3-digit number. Let's take an example of 1678 into 297. Step 1. Begin with ones. 7 into 8 is equal to 56. 6 will be written in ones column and 5 shall be carried over. 7 into 7 is equal to 49. Add 5 which was carried over. The sum becomes 54. 4 will be written in tens column and 5 will be carried over. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. Add 5 in it. The sum becomes 47. 7 will be written in hundreds column and 4 to be carried over. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Add 4 which was carried over. The sum becomes 11. From 11, 1 will be written in thousands column and another 1 will be written in 10,000s column. Step 2. We will multiply the tens column. So, put a 0 in ones column first. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. 2 will be written in tens column and 7 carried over. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. Add 7 which was carried over. The sum becomes 70. 0 will be written in hundreds column and 7 shall be carried over. 9 into 6 is equal to 54. Add 7 which was carried over. The sum becomes 61. 1 should be written in thousands place and 6 will be carried over. 9 into 1 is 9. When add 6 in it, the sum becomes 15. 5 will be written in 10,000s column and 1 in lakhs place. Step 3. We will multiply the hundreds column. So first put a 0 in ones column and 1 0 in tens column. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 6 should be written in hundreds column and 1 is carry over. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Add 1 in it, the sum becomes 15. We should write in thousands column and 1 should be carried over. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Add 1 which was carried over. The sum becomes 13. 3 should be written in 10,000s column and 1 will be carried over. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Add 1 in it. The sum becomes 3. We should write in lakhs place. Now lastly, add all the products. The sum becomes 4,98,366. Now let's see an example of 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. For example, 458 into 467. Step 1. Start multiplying from ones place. 7 into 8 is equal to 56. 6 should be written in ones column and 5 carry over. 7 into 5 is 35. The 5 which was carried over should be added. The sum becomes 40. 0 in tens place and 4 shall be carried over. 7 into 4 becomes 28. Add 4 in it. The sum becomes 32. 2 should be written in hundreds place and 3 in thousands place. Step 2. Let's multiply with tens place. So put a 0 in ones place. 6 into 8 is equal to 48. 8 should be written in tens place and 4 shall be carried over. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Add 4 which was carried over, sum becomes 34. 4 should be written in thousands place and 3 shall be carried over. 6 into 4 becomes 24. 24 plus 3 becomes 27. 7 will be in thousands column and 2 shall be written in 10,000s column. Step 3. Multiply with hundreds place. So put a 0 in ones column and a 0 in tens column. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 2 should be written in hundreds place and 3 is carry over. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 20 plus 3 which was carried over becomes 23. 3 should be written in thousands place and 2 shall be carried over. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Add 2 which was carried over. The sum becomes 18. 8 will be written in thousands column and 1 will be written in lakhs place. Now add all the three products. The answer comes to 2,13,886. Now let's take one story. Problem. A notebook has 256 pages. How many pages will be there in 5 such notebooks? Answer shall be number of pages in one notebook is equal to 256 and total number of notebooks is equal to 5. Therefore, number of pages in 5 notebooks shall be 256 into 5. When multiplied, the answer comes to 1280. So, there are 1280 pages in 5 notebooks. Thank you.